For 60 years, human progress has come with a heavy price. Watch as the giants of industry awaken. But who is really driving global emissions today? The answer is in the data. Historically, the rule was simple. More people equals more emissions. As nations grew, they burned more fossil fuels to survive. But some nations have broken the rule. Welcome to the Decoupling Effect. Countries are proving you can grow your wealth while shrinking your carbon footprint. Where is the money going next? Look at the gap. Nations with exploding energy demands are still relying on ancient tech. This is the greatest investment opportunity of our generation. The transition is happening, but it is not equal. How does your country stack up?